guarantees the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Ms. Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating. Mr. Secretary, a couple of days ago, in the last hearing when you were here, we somehow settled the issue that restitution is not a requisite for an applicant to the WPP. Is that correct?
It's not in the law. But sa akin ko kasi, hindi lang po batas na nagdidictate dito. It's also what is morally right, what is expected of us. Yan po kasi, kahit hindi nilagay sa batas, mga given po yan sa ating lipunan.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Secretary?
Kasi wala nga sa batas yung ano,
Walang sa batas.
yung
Then,
requirements
ano ilalagay mo sa batas?
for admission to the witness protection. Ang restitution is not part of it.
Yes, it is not.
Oh, pero hindi ho nangangahulugan na hindi namin pwede i-layout yan depending on the case.
Mr. Secretary, I am still in the stage where a particular applicant wishes to apply under that program. And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. Is that correct?
Opo, pero if it's in terms of this case being a financial crime, sir, this is a crime against the
Mr. Secretary,
financial status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think it's just right.
Mr.
that we ask.
Secretary, are you amending the provision of the
No,
law?
sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the Witness Protection Program.
As a lawyer, Mr. Secretary, may I ask you, in a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution. Kapag ka nakita na mayroong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Paano mo sasabihin na magre-restitute ang isang tao? Meron na bang findings kung magkano i-restitute on how it can be restituted? Nag-apply pa lang eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh. Kaya nga siguro, ang chairman kanina gusto kong ituloy ito, sinabi niya, nagpa-interview siya, na goodwill and sincerity should be done para i-test. Pwede ba yung ganito?
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how,
my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am operating.
The arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
are
operating from the
Senator Marcoleta,
vantage point of the reason behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution. So that is the principle behind all of these things that we are talking about now.
Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be.
So it can come before or after, sir. It can come before or
You
after.
cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh.
Sir,
Huwag po niyo babaguhin ang batas, Mr. Secretary.
we are operating on a unique set of facts, and we are, all of these matters are being evaluated because the gravity of this financial crime cannot be underestimated, and that the more assets that we're able to preserve at the outset, the better for our country, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo,
I'm
nakikinig
very
ang
sorry,
bansa.
sir. Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I
country
am not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You will be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga, hindi ko opinion dito. I am
Then it's your option,
articulating
sir.
the provision of
It
law.
is what you wish to happen. That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant. It is not in the law. Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before. Hindi ganun eh. Sabi mo na nga, and we admitted, impliedly instituted ang civil liability, but this will come eventually after the court has pronounced kung magkano ang ibabalik niya, kung meron man. Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Are you done, Senator Marcoleta?
Nang dahil ba kayo po ay inihatid niyo ang Pangulong Duterte sa The Hague? Ito po bang kabayaran, Mr. President? Ito po ba'y premyo? Kasi kailangan nating ma-disabuse po ang pagdududa ng mga kababayan natin. Hindi naman po kayo ang dapat na maghatid sa kanya ron eh. Tama po, Mr. President?
Sabi po niya, Asik Lacanilaw, siya nga po, he confirms that he was one of those on the plane with the former president.
Opo,
Hindi na
wala
po
namang
siya.
pagdududa doon and there's no debate in that. Ang tinatanong po, kayo po bang authorized na dapat sumama na maghatid sa hindi tamang pagkakahatid sa dating Pangulo? Under what authority did you accompany the former president to The Hague, Netherlands?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, being with the OSCE, they are on top of the Interpol po. Kaya po sila po kasama. Kaya
What
po
do
siya
you
po
mean
kasama.
they are on top of the Interpol, Mr. President?
Yung pong PCTC daw po is that's Interpol NCB Manila.
Yun nga po. The PCTC is the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes.
Opo.
Kaya hindi po totoo na sinasabi niya na he is on top of transnational crimes. Kayo po ay special envoy. But the local counterpart of the Interpol is the PCTC. It should have been the executive director of the PCTC who should have accompanied the former president, even if we assume that that was regular.
According to Asik Lacanilaw, that meron po daw siyang dokumento that he was well documented for him to be able to accompany the former president to The Hague, being the head of OSCE. Tapos yung PCTC po is the operational arm under OSCE, Your Honor, Mr. President. So yun po yung kanyang personality or credentials for being the former president.
Can you give us a copy of that document, Mr. President?
According to Asik Lacanilaw, it's with the Office of the President, Your Honor.
Ano po?
Nasa OP daw, sa Office of the President. Or the Office of the Executive Secretary. Can you get the copy? He will try to request for a copy, Your Honor.
What does the document say, Mr. President? Alam mo, Mr. President, ganito po yan eh. Lahat po ng notice ng isang korte, lahat ng subpoena o anumang klase ang ipatupad ng korte, yung sheriff po ang nagdadala. Kumbaga, yung PCTC dapat ang nagdala sa Pangulong Duterte. Pero kayo po nag-volunteer. Tama po. Ito
Yes,
po
Your
ang
Honor,
transcript.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President. Inaamin po ni Asik Calilaw na siya po ay nag-volunteer.
Oh, nag-volunteer. So wala na yung dokumento, ha? Wala na yung dokumento, eh. Hindi mo nga maipaliwanag kung ano yung content ng document. Eh, kwento lang yun. Kwentong kutsero lang. Yes?
Well, sabi po kasi niya, yun daw yung nabanggit mo sa Senate hearing na he was documented.
You were documented as what? Kanina dokumento yung sinasabi mo, ngayon. Ikaw na ang dokumento. Ano ba yun?
Nung siya po ay nagboluntaryo, kinakailangan daw mabigyan ng dokumento bago po, para po siya po ay makaalis. At
So,
mapakasama.
okay. The document says that you volunteered. Kasi nasa transcript talaga ng Senate, ano eh.
Yes, Your Honor. He confirms.
So the last question now, since you volunteered to accompany the former president to The Hague, kahit na irregular, illegal lahat ang mga proseso, will you also volunteer kung sakasakali na babalik na ang dating Pangulo na ikaw rin ang mag-uwi sa kanya?
He says that
Wait.
if there is an order for him to do so, he will volunteer to bring
Paano
him back.
magiging voluntary yung kung ordering ka pa? Kaya nag-volunteer ka kanina. Mario Joseph naman na usapan ito.
Kung may order daw, siya po isusunod, Your Honor.
Ay, hindi na voluntary yun. In-orderan ka na. Mandate na yun eh. Salamat po, Mr. President. Pasensya na po at umaba lang ng konti. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Sponsor.
Thank you rin po.